This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry meat. First, choose a good cut of meat, like beef chuck or lamb shoulder, which is perfect for slow cooking. Cut it into uniform 5-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Don't forget to pat the meat dry. This step is crucial for getting a beautiful, flavorful sear. Next, we build the flavor foundation. Sauté your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger in a pot until they are soft and fragrant. Then, add your chosen curry powder or paste. Toasting these spices for about 1 minute releases their full aroma and deepens the overall flavor profile of your dish. Now it's time for the slow simmer, which makes the meat incredibly tender. Pour in your liquid, such as coconut milk or broth, ensuring it just covers the meat. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the meat is perfectly fork tender. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Stir in some fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice for brightness. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper until it's just right. Your homemade curry meat is now ready to be served hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.